Hello friends, today here with me I have the all new Acer Nitro 5. This is the 2021 variant. So it is having Ryzen 5 and GTX 1650. So what I'll be doing today is upgrading the M.2 and adding a extra HDD and also upgrading the RAM from 8 GB to 16 GB. Coming to the back of the laptop, here we have a Acer seal here. And it's clearly mentioned that the warranty might get void if you open the seal. But how can you upgrade if you don't open the seal? Anyway, now coming to the screws. So in total here we have 12 screws holding the back panel. These are the screws, and the back panel is basically made of plastic, hard plastic. So opening the laptop was a bit difficult. All you need to do is find a ridge or a gap somewhere and just pull it from there. Now coming to the laptop, here it's a dual fan configuration, and right now I'm having a single RAM here and also single M.2, and the HDD port is basically empty. So the first step of upgrading is disconnect the battery. So one must firstly disconnect the battery, or else anything may happen like a short circuit or something. So then firstly coming to the upgrade is the RAM. I have given the link in the description. This is a Crucial 32 MHz RAM. It's a dual channel RAM. Secondly coming is the M.2. It's also from Crucial. It is 512 GB. And the read and write speed is somewhere around 2400 Mbps I think. And coming to the 1 TB HDD. This upgrade cable we get from the manufacturer itself, and this is where we fit the HDD. Now coming to the M.2, it's basically very simple, just one screw. All you need to fit is one screw. All done. Now coming to the RAM. Even the RAM is very easier to fit. Just match the line, and a small ridge is there in between. Just match it, and it's all done. Now coming to the HDD. So this particular place is already there in the laptop. All you need to do is just remove the screws. Then fit this particular thing with the HDD. The screws you might get with the HDD only, because the screws are not being provided, only this particular cable is been given. So after fitting the screws, all you need to do is connect the cable. So simply just connect the cable and the screws. So once the cable and all is done, just reconnect the battery cable. Just check everything once, like everything is working fine, and the fit and all, check it, everything you just check once, that's all. Now all is left is to just fix the back panel. So after fixing the back panel, now let's just try turning on the laptop. So here as you can see, the memory is now 16 GB, it was 8 GB before. So 3 disk drive, one is the HDD and other two are the different M.2s. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like the video. Do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.